Hi, it's Mrs. Hansen at the Town and Country Public Library. Tonight we're going to make hot chocolate on a cane or a stick. So for this you'll need whatever kind of chocolate you like. These happen to be semi-sweet. You can use white chocolate or milk chocolate. If you like mini marshmallows in your hot chocolate, you can use that. Any other kind of toppings. And you need candy canes or sticks, and a mini muffin tray or an ice cube tray. So let's get started. With the magic of video, I already have melted my chocolate. 30 seconds in the microwave until it's melted. You do this so it doesn't burn. If you want to, you can use a double boiler with a parental help to melt the chocolate. And once it's melted, all you have to do is put it in your muffin tray. So I'm going to pour a little bit in each of the cups. I only made a few portions. I only used 1 cup of chips because I'm not going to fill this tray. I just want to show you some examples of designs you might want to use. Okay, oh, it looks like I can get another one. I love the chocolate. Oh, it smells so, so good. You want it to be very fancy. You could make a bunch of different kinds of chocolate. And this is a great last minute gift idea for someone that surprises you with a gift and you're like, oh, I don't have anything. So I have my chocolates poured. Now you can decorate with some mini marshmallows, because after all, this is going to be hot chocolate. You could put them on top, like that. Make a little snowman, or just put a bunch, like a mountain. Depends on how many marshmallows you like. So I'm going to do those 2 like that. You can use some crushed candy canes. Sprinkle some on. Ooh, that looks pretty. Or you could do marshmallows and candy canes. That looks really pretty. You can do any different kinds of sprinkles that you want. I like this red and green and white one here. Oh, look how pretty and Christmassy that looks. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we have just plain one. Just a plain red one. That's sugar, red sugar. And we could do plain green. We could add a little green sugar to this one. A little green sugar here. Just go crazy. Do whatever you want. Add some marshmallows, because I really like marshmallows in my hot chocolate. Okay, maybe a few more. There. And then all you have to do is add, you can either use a candy cane. I thought that was really cute. You'll have to kind of put it on the edge there. Or you can use a popsicle stick, they call them craft sticks, or a regular cake pop stick. I'm just going to put the candy canes because, of course, I like lots of peppermint in mine. Okay. There we go. Now, in order for your chocolate to set, you'll have to put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes until it comes out easily from the muffin tin or the ice cube tray. And there you can see you have a very sweet little treat. In order to make the hot chocolate, though, you cannot use water. You must use warm milk. Water will not work. So you can warm your milk up in the microwave, or you can warm it up on the stove, and then you simply put this in your mug and enjoy. Makes great gifts, and you can use that with our cookie mix and have a nice cookie and hot chocolate afternoon.